Hi, I'm Kathryn Gomes. I'm the author of Exploring Creation with Mathematics from Apologia. And in this video, I'm going to be talking to you about Level 2 and the Unit 5 skills practice in this book. So in Unit 5, in the student book, kids are learning about measurement and data. At the same time, they're taking 5 to 10 minutes a day to review 3-digit addition and 3-digit subtraction because we want to really reinforce that skill. Now keep in mind they've already done a lot of work with 2-digit addition and 2-digit subtraction. So really we're just building a little bit more on that with adding that third digit. So what are some different ways that you can practice? Well, let's start with addition. One of the simplest things is a worksheet. We have created these for you and you can print them off the Book Extras website. So go ahead and do that. Some people even do this. You know how it's a 4-day week? They take that 5th day that we didn't include on the pacing guide and they do one of these worksheets just to reinforce this skill. Another thing is if it worked well for you when you were practicing 2-digit addition, you can do the note card facts where you just write down, not even a fact, note card problems. So where you just write down one 3-digit addition problem, have your child do it, check it, they're done, all right? What I like about this is it's not overwhelming. I think kids who sometimes are like, oh, I don't want to do this, it's just one problem. So you can encourage them to, try your best, focus, do the problem. It's just one, and then we can move on, which is kind of nice. A little less overwhelming than a whole set of problems. All right, you could play a game, roll and add. So you have 3 dice, you roll. You use that to make your digits and then make another 3-digit number and add it together, right? To turn this into more of a game, you have 2 players. Each player rolls and adds, and whoever gets the greater sum wins. And so they have to learn like, ooh, where should I place my digits in order to get the higher number? And then that keeps them from just writing a really easy addition problem. A little bit of a variation on that is roll to 1,000, where they keep rolling and adding. So like I just got 442, and then I would roll again. What's this? 432. So 442 plus 432, keep adding until you get to 1,000. You can get there pretty quickly. So that one is a lot of fun. All right, let's talk about subtraction, 3-digit subtraction. Of course, we've provided worksheets for you on the Book Extras website. Go ahead and print those out so you have them. You can do the note card facts. Also, keep in mind when you're practicing, you do want to make sure that they can subtract across a 0, which is a little trickier. That's probably the biggest, increase in skill from 2-digit subtraction. So make sure they can do that. Actually, on this one, like if it was 117 instead of 107, and they had to regroup. Okay. Okay. Race to 0. So you can do this with or without base 10 blocks. But with base 10 blocks, you would start at a certain amount, maybe 500. I have 400 here. Everybody starts with a certain amount, and they roll the dice, and then they subtract that many from the blocks. So they're going to be regrouping in order to subtract it. You can also take the blocks away and just play race to 0, like, okay, we're all going to start with 1,000. Whoever subtracts down to 0 first wins. And then one other suggestion is biggest difference. So in this, you deal each player 6 numbered cards. Those are their digits that they have to work with. They have to arrange them to make a subtraction problem. Like, okay, so I'm going to do 753 or something, and then I'm going to subtract, 418. And whoever gets the biggest difference wins the game. It's just a lot of fun. Okay, I hope that helps your skills practice.